Hello, it's just Crafty Chantel and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you these Crafter's Companions edgeable dies, or let's see, what are they? Yeah, these are edgeables. So I have two different styles. This more simple style. This one is called Expression. And so it's just for you, thank you, and special day. And so they just have the text and then a little butterfly or heart at the top. And then I have four of these more, I don't know, ornate ones. So missing you, sending smiles, just for you, and with all my love. So I purchased these myself, either directly from Crafter's Companion or via HSN Craft Day. I'm not sure of which, but if you notice the size on these cards, on these dies, so these are all 6x2, so you can pretty much do like a 4x6 card with these, or maybe a 5x7. One problem that I ran into with this collection is trying to get them to fit in the envelope when you cut above like this. So that's something to think about. If you give a card, I don't think you want the person to have to figure out how to flip it up or whatever. So just something to think about if you plan to use these dies. So I'm going to show you some of my inspiration, some of the cards that I have created with these dies. So this one here is using the thank you. And then I used some paper from the Snowflake collection. So this is what the die looks like. It sits right up top here. And so for this one, this is a 4x6 card. And then I'm going to have to put it in a 5x5 envelope in order for it to fit. So I just wanted to point that out. So these, this is paper from Glittering Snowflakes collection. And then I just did some paper piecing up here at the top. So again, this is a 4x6 card. You can see it's cut out there, but on the inside, I used one of the inserts from the Versus collection to kind of cover it up. But this is a 4x6 card, but for an envelope, I have to use a 5x5 in order to make it fit. So just wanted to point that out. And then let's see, what do we have next? Let's take a look at Special Day. So that's this die. So with this one, I did sort of like a wedding card. There is a, oh man, forgot her name. There is a YouTuber that has some beautiful wedding cards using some edgeables that's sort of like this. And so I kind of got a little inspiration from her. So you can see that this time I cut it on the edge and then set it on top of the card, and then added some ribbon and some pearls. And then put a gold background and offset the text with gold. So this is a 6x6 card. It will fit in a regular 6x6 envelope. This section right here, I used a Crafter's Companion. It's an envelope die, envelope liner die, and I don't have it. It was, oh, here it is. This is the Crafter's Companion envelope liner die. So that's what I used right here to get this edge. And then I just created, I think I made my own bow on that one. So this is a 6x6 card. It'll fit fine in an envelope. Then again with Special Day, so I wanted to go in a different direction. So this one is kind of fancy schmancy, and then this one is, you know, fun and bright. So with this one, we took the Special Day and then we cut it on a piece of cardstock and kind of mounted it in the middle of the card, and then layered it with a couple of different items. Here's the Anna Griffin bow, the Anna Griffin balloons from Celebration, and then this is an Anna Griffin border. So using the same die, but kind of a totally different feel, you know, something that's, you know, fun and springy, bright, and then, you know, more ornate wedding card. Okay, and then we have Just For You. So again, sticking with the fun, colorful theme. Again, this is a 4x6 card that I'm going to have to use a 5x5 envelope with. And then I did yellow paper on the inside, so that's where we're getting this yellow from. And then we have this I just cut with some Crafter's Companion edge dies that I have in my collection. So those are the more simple traditional ones. Let's kind of get over here into these more ornate dies. So I'll show you what they look like. And then you have these notches on the sides, and that's where you know where your cutting line is. So you line that up with the fold of your envelope in order to determine where it's going to make the cut. And so this, you can see what I mean when I say this is a 6x6 card, and it's not going to fit in a 6x6 envelope unless we fold this down, and I don't really want to do that. So I was thinking that I have like some white 5x7 or some white you know, shipping envelopes that I could use. So what we did here was used one of the Crafter's Companion butterfly edgeables just to kind of go with this butterfly theme that it has up top, and use the butterfly edgeables and some butterfly dies just to accent this bottom portion of the card. And then this inside is just a gold. So that's just for you. Next we have Missing You. So we have a couple in this layout. So Missing You has this cute bird cage on it. See the bird cage? So this one we did in red with some acetate. So for this, I made it upside down. That's interesting. So I guess oh no, sorry, it should be sideways. It should be sideways. So okay, we're going sideways with this one. And so then you have the vellum over here on the side so that it's just a clear inset, and then we accented it with rhinestones, and you can see the you know, kind of at the end of the flower decorations. Now these 6x6 cards do cost a little bit more to ship. Just keep that in mind. Then this again is the Missing You. So what I did here, this is that Caring Thoughts paper. So what I did here was added in some glitter paper. So we have some paper piecing in here and here. And then I just cut these out in glitter paper and added them on top just to add a little additional color. And then we have this vellum paper in the background. So this is the Missing You die. And then, let's see, Sending Smiles. This one is kind of in the pink and green. And this I used a 5x7 because, again, I'm trying to get them so that they will fit in a regular envelope. So here we have the 5x7. And I just used the die right here and added some green pearls, green ribbon. This green is from the Knitwit Homebody collection. So nothing too ornate here. And then next we have With All My Love. So this one, we just went with the purple and green like we have in the patterned paper. And I cut into the cardstocks, into the cards, so that it's not over the edge. So it's not really a true edgeable, I guess. I just wanted to be able to fit it in a regular envelope. So we have some embossed paper here as an embellishment and some purple rhinestones. And so now let us make a card on camera. Do a quick demo. And we will use this With All My Love. And I'm going to go with red because that means love, right? So we have a 6x6 card. Then we have some silver cardstock, red cardstock, red glitter cardstock. And then what I'm thinking is with some of these little swirlies. See if I can get a better view. Some of these swirlies I can accent with this red, or either do paper piecing, and then also do something with these hearts here. These might be from Spellbinders, I don't really, or maybe it's from Year of Craft or a craft box, I'm not sure. And then these are obviously from Crafter's Companion. So let's get to work on our design and see how we want to do this. So I think first I want to get down my red layer. And this will be similar to the purple with All My Love card that we did. So we'll get the red layer down. Okay, so we got the red layer down, and funny story, cutting through the card and the card stock is not that easy to do with these dies, and so I just had a really hard time, and I'll show you. So I had a hard time just trying to do the weeding, and then it not coming apart. And then it coming apart up in this corner. So I ran it through a couple of times and it just wasn't working out for me. So we scrapped that one. And this is what we ended up with. So I still have the red glitter layer, and I cut using like a cranberry color. So I cut that, and then we did this in white. And then I took these rose accents from Crafter's Companion Decorative Rose Frame and added that around the sentiment. So it's now With All My Love, Mom. And then a couple of, like I said, I wanted to use those squigglies from this here, Crafter's Companion, so you can see those on the end. That's these right here. So instead of the swirlies, I used those. And so got some little remnants over here that I just decided not to use. So that is the With All My Love frame from Crafter's Companion to go with all of the these Crafter's Companion edgeables. So here is another version of With All My Love in purple. And then we have, again, Sending Smiles. Missing You. Again, Missing You in red. Just For You. Another Just For You. Let's see. Special Day. Another Special Day. And also Thank You. So So if you have enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe so that you can get a notification. We celebrated last week because we did reach over 500 subscribers. So thank you very much for that. We didn't do a giveaway or anything, so those are natural organic subscribers, just people who enjoy our craft inspiration. So thank you so much for watching and viewing our channel, and stay tuned for more crafty inspiration. This is just Crafty Chantel.